another episode of Winning Without Borders. My god, it's been like over a year since I created a vlog, and so I got a lot of explainings to do, not in this video but in the up and coming video. And I hope everybody's doing well. This year has been absolutely crazy. I hope you guys are in good spirits. I hope you all are healthy, your loved ones are healthy. This year has been absolutely nuts, and I can't believe that we're actually living through a pandemic. But you know, there's talks of actually they just shipped some vaccines to different states here in the US. So let's see how everything is gonna, you know, develop. I think we're one step closer to going back to normalcy, so we'll see. But in today's video, I got something exciting, and today we're gonna go hunt for the CTA holiday train. Right now I'm parked outside the pink line, the CTA station. That's the building right there, and what that is, for you guys who don't live in Chicago, the CTA is the public train that most Chicagoans and people take here. And every winter they actually have a special train. It's called the holiday train, and it is absolutely awesome. It's decked out with lights and just Christmas decoration, and there's Santa Claus. And right now, well, usually they allow people on board, but this year, because of COVID and all, it'll be hard to social distance, and so they just want to, like, you know, keep everybody safe. So you're not allowed on board, but I'm gonna fly my drone and I'm trying to get some shots of it. But I gotta find it, and I know back here right behind me is actually where they park the train. So I think it's in there. I don't see it, but maybe it's in one of the buildings. So you know, the CTA did provide a schedule, as you can see right here, but it's very vague. It doesn't tell you when it stops at specific stations, and it only says that it's running in the afternoon. And today is the 15th of December. It's on the pink line, and I'm gonna try to find it for you guys. And yeah, let's see what happens. It's gonna be fun. All right, this is pretty boring. I've sat in my car for about 25 minutes already, and you know, all I see is these trains just going by, but it's not the holiday train. Is this what it feels like to be like a cop on a stakeout? Like, oh my god. This is boring, guys. And there's a chance that I might not even see the train. Like, I'm just taking a guess that the holiday train is in the back right there. But who knows, you know, so. Let's see, guys. Let's see. But you guys probably already know if I'm gonna see it or not, because like by the time that I edit this, I'll probably post a title, hey, holiday train. Just moved locations. Before I was over there, I parked over there. Now I moved over here just to get a better view from afar. So that's a train I saw earlier, and it's still there. Still waiting for the holiday train. Like I said before, don't know if it's in there, but you know, we're just gonna be patient and see.
2,000 years later.
That's a holiday train. So we are in business, guys. Okay, I think it's gonna go into the building over there, park, and then maybe come back out. So yeah, we're gonna get ahead of it. Not gonna fly our drone here because it's private property, but we're gonna go to a park. It's about 20-30 minutes away from here, but we're gonna get a head start, and yeah, we're gonna patiently wait for it over there and try to get some cool shots. But hopefully we see it right now, and hopefully it goes by, so we'll see. It's actually going back to downtown, so we are gonna get going. It'll probably take it 40 minutes to get to downtown, but I'm gonna beat it because it's only gonna take me about 15 minutes to get there. So all right, let's go chase this train. Alright, as you can see, the train's gonna come by over here. We are in position. It's freaking cold, it's like 33 degrees and dropping, so I don't want to be out here long. Honestly, I've been waiting for a couple hours, and we're just gonna probably get like a 30-second clip, maybe even less, of the train going by. So I'm preparing right now. I'm getting my drone set up, and we'll see how it goes. I'm so excited. The drone is up in the air. We just gotta patiently wait. Holiday train is coming, guys. I got one shot at this, so let's make it good. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's fly it up.